Hey everyone, Sherry Wind here again. So here's going to be a little 2 or so minute tour of D2L. So hopefully you're familiar with D2L. It's an online learning platform, which basically is where our course website lives. This course will have all the content, information, assignments, documents that you will need to be successful in this course. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour of D2L, so just follow along with me. I think it'll be useful. Even for those of you that are familiar with D2L, I just want to familiarize yourselves with this shell. So obviously here's our course name, Human Growth and Development. The Developing Person Through the Lifespan is the name of our textbook. This is your home page. So this announcements page right here, this is sort of your welcoming announcement. This will be updated definitely once a week with a welcome to week 1, week 2, and so forth. But there might be other announcements if there's a paper coming up, or if there's an exam coming up, or just some other kind of announcement that I want to make sure you see. So the announcements page is really the best way for me to stay in touch with you. Secondly, this little envelope here, there's a red dot there, that means you have an email. I do send out regularly class emails to the entire class, or maybe one-on-one if you email me and I email you back. So make sure you're checking both here and again this announcements page, because that's how I communicate best with you. Just a couple of other points I want to show you. So course materials is where all our content is. So on this page you'll see all kinds of information to get started. So the first place you should be going is under this Getting Started tab. We call these modules or tabs, either way. You have your syllabus and course schedule, and you have some orientation information. This is your first place to go. The first thing you could do is open up your course syllabus. There's links right here. That's your entire syllabus. Your course schedule is just the schedule of the 10 weeks of class and what assignments are due, what we cover, chapters, reading, and all that information. Down below here, we have the links. If you want to just go right to these right here, the links right here for both. Then you're going to have some orientation information. You're going to have just welcome to the class. There's a little bit of an introduction here. There's a video here of just welcoming you to the class as opposed to welcoming you to D2L. A lot of welcoming going on. So let me just open that up so those things pop up. So you'll have a welcome video here. You'll have your D2L tour here. And there's some online student success information. I would certainly suggest you open up this link here and learn a little bit about how to be successful. And it's specifically for this course. It's not just general how to be a successful online student. It's about how to be successful in this particular course in terms of structuring your time, when assignments are due, and that type of information. And lastly, there I am again. There's some interesting bio information here, a little bit of background information. I do come from New York, so please don't make fun of my accent. And then just some reasons why I teach and why I love to teach. So again, this is your place to get started right here, where you click on your Getting Started tab, and here. Your ebook link is here, so you're going to need to buy a book. You can either buy an ebook or a hardcover, whatever is best for you, whatever you prefer. But that's a direct link. Once you click on that, you'll just have to enter an access code. There's some other assignments here, and then basically here is going to be your week-to-week schedule. This course is broken down into 10 weeks. We do have class on the 11th week, which is August 3rd, but that's just for our last exam, the last day of class. We'll have plenty of time to review this again, but again, once you open up your D2L page, our Human Growth and Development course, again, just one more time, home page, you could actually click on here and just go right to the Getting Started module that I just showed you there. And you're going to get started right here with all your orientation materials right here. So I look forward to seeing you all online. Please stay in touch with me. I read emails a lot. I will respond to you as soon as possible. And please make sure you're checking back to make sure you get my response. I'm always available by email is the best way. I, again, respond very quickly. So again, welcome to Human Growth and